Rest here. Oh my god! Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vera, and in today's video you guys are coming to unbox with me. So basically, you all remember that during the Valentine's Day I was writing an examination, so I barely had time to do any Valentine's update, Valentine's this, Valentine's that. So guys, I got my own Valentine's gift after the Valentine, and it came in handy, and it is the best gift ever. It's the best gift that is kind of going to enhance my YouTube channel. So guys, here is my own Valentine's gift, and it just came in. This gift is coming from my #1 fan, and I'm so grateful. I'm so thankful. I love it so much, and yeah, so unbox with me. You guys already know what it is. Okay, so this is the first thing in this nylon. Voila! Let's take it, what's it called, thumbnail. Oh, should I do something like this? Unbox with me! Unpack with me, unbox with me. Valentine's gift coming in handy. Okay guys, so I got this gift from my #1 fan, the love of my life. Like, he paid so much attention to all my needs about this YouTube. I've basically been ranting about I want a ring light, and he has been like, okay, why don't you just chill? When you start getting money off YouTube, then you can get yourself a ring light. Little did I know that he was going to surprise me, guys. I didn't know he was going to get me a ring light. I think one of the days he has asked me which of the ring lights I actually wanted. I told him I wanted to get like 14, 12 just for the start. Then if I really like the light stuff, then I actually want to get a LED light and not really a ring light. But this is the type I told him I wanted to get if I was going to get a ring light eventually. So he got me this. I'm so happy, guys. I'm so grateful, and we are going to unbox it together. Mind you, I don't know how to use this, and in case you're wondering which light I'm actually using when it's actually middle of the night, the time is basically 12 right now. I'm using my torchlight. If you've not watched the video I made about using torchlight to make your videos at night, I'll link it in the description so you can get it too. So let's unbox this. So I don't really know what I'm expecting. Oh my god. So this is what we have, guys. This is what we have, and I think there's a remote. Okay, there's a remote that it came with, and I don't know how to use this, trust me. Okay, so the ring light, okay, this is how it came. It came with 3 tripods where I can actually put my phone. I'm so loving this. I'm so happy. And then it came with all this remote stuff, and then the very good thing about it is USB. So right now there is no lights where I can actually plug this, but I have my power bank handy where I can actually plug it and use it as we go. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I'm going to use this, but before then, let's actually unbox the tripod. This is actually the better part of this ring light, because I think the tripod I'm using now is kind of small. Like, I've not really had the opportunity to, have a tripod that is taller than I or longer than I am, or do I say taller, such that I can make videos while standing. But voila, I have a tripod now that is actually longer, and I can actually make like videos with this while I'm standing. And oh my god, I don't know how to navigate this. Okay, oh my god, so I feel like this is I don't know, maybe later I can actually like know how to fix it. Okay. Oh my god, this is quite long, you guys. It's actually very long. Okay, I think it has not finished here. I can actually unscrew here and make it more longer. This tripod, no doubt, is going to be longer than I am or taller than I am. I don't even know the way to use. Let's actually fix the ring light on it. It has this stuff where you can fix on the ring light, then you screw it in. I hope you guys are seeing me, or maybe I'll have to. I'm not sure I know what I'm actually doing. Okay, I think I've gotten it. Is there a reason this thing is shaking? I'm not. Okay. I don't know if there is any reason why this is shaking, but okay, it's not tight. This is actually supposed to be tight. Now we have the ring light. I have my power bank here, so let me actually just plug it. So I plugged the light. The next is to press here. Oh my god, what? Okay. Oh my god. Uh-oh, it's gone. Okay, this is the white light. I think the next, let me use the remote. Okay, you have the plus and the minus. I think it's to increase the intensity of the light and then to decrease the intensity of the light. Yeah, it's very certain. So guys, your girl is an owner of a ring light, so I think the remote can also do its work. Okay, so the first place I pressed was here. So if I press it, it's going to on. Then I don't know. Okay. Where are my TikTok babes? This ring light is everything. I never believed I was going to own a ring light so soon. I just knew it was going to come, but not so soon. I think everything here has to do with the RGB, the color. Let me see what the S plus is. Okay, I think this is increasing the speed, guys. It's kind of increasing the speed at which is going. Then the S2 is going to reduce the speed at which the RGB light is going. Then I think W is for white. Okay, all right. So then I don't know, I feel this stuff has to do with intensity. So, and this light is not actually giving, this giving blue, this is not giving white. Okay, so okay, this actually has to do for the RGB, and I suppose this is for the white. And then I have to off it. Oh my god, calm down. Okay, this is actually okay. Then I'm going to press it to increase it. I'm like, what? This is so crazy. I'm so happy, guys. Like, but the disadvantage of this ring light, not that I'm being petty or not that I'm being ungrateful, but the disadvantage of this light is that I cannot use it without my glasses, or how often I use it without my glasses will cause a damage to my eye. And if I'm using it with my glasses, you guys will be seeing the reflection of the ring on my glasses, and it doesn't really make sense to me. But I'll just figure out how to do it so that the light will not be directed to my face without it's going to minimize the effect of the light on my face. So guys, I don't know what the use of this two yellow stuff is. If you know, please comment down or let me just press it. Okay, it kind of diffuses the light a bit. What about this? Oh my god, I think it gives you this studio vibes. What do you think? Like, okay, the yellow one diffuses it, the white one gives it like I'm a YouTuber vibe. This one gives it like kind of diffuses it a little bit. Then this giving studio vibe. I feel I should be using this one. What do you guys think from what you are seeing? I think this is better, but all the way, yeah. So let's get to the RGB. Oh my god, how was I supposed to do? Okay, I pressed. Okay, you have the green, just green. I only pressed this to get the green. Then I think this for red, and then this for blue. You guys, oh my god, what all these TikTokers that do all the devilish stuff, paint the town red kind of videos. This is the light they use. Then this blue. How about, okay, what's setting? I don't know what I'm setting, but I'm just so confused, guys. So confused. So yeah, this is all for the unboxing. I'm so happy. Thanks babe for this. I'm so grateful, and I'm so happy I've gotten this ring light. I never believed I was going to get one. I'm so grateful for getting this from you, and yeah. So thank you guys for watching. I'm so excited. I own a ring light now. I've upgraded by one equipment on my YouTube, and I'm so happy, and I hope you out there are also going to get your equipment one after the other. And I also hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you get notified each time I upload on this channel. And with that being said, love you guys, bye.